Escalade cluster. Look at that. 120 on it. $25 from old Ben. You can't beat it. Can't beat it. Yo, another day. This Suburban has a nice stereo in it, and it's got the Bluetooth up here. So I'm gonna be taking this out and putting it in the short bed over there, the 95, because it's got a Pioneer, but it's old as hell. Some of the buttons are stuck, and it doesn't have the microphone. So we're gonna swap them out, and probably swap in the Escalade cluster since the whole dashboards will be off. I might have to change over the LED lights. So I think I got LEDs in my original, so I had to swap them over. But we'll get started on this. All right, taking the microphone out now. I don't know where they got this thing ran to. Looks like right here. I gotta get a screwdriver. Gotta get a screwdriver. I'll be right back. So this one out of the Suburban is a 6900 BT, and the one that's in here is a 6810 BT. So without looking them up, I would say this is probably newer, and it looks newer. It's got more features. So we're gonna be upgrading for free right now. We'll get this cluster off, and then let me see. Right here, you'll see 100 miles an hour, and you'll see over here. Oh damn, we gotta clean this mug. But this is 120, and that's 100. So let me go get a rag or something to clean it with, and we'll get this swapped over. We'll get both of them swapped over. All right. Let's see what that was. I gotta take a picture. Gotta take a picture of stuff, because I don't be remember how stuff go back together sometimes. I ain't no professional with this type of stuff. That's already in there. And this is already here, this wire harness. We gotta give a shout out to OBS_dude on Instagram. I got sent my first part, custom cargo lamp switch. This has a blue LED in it. It's gonna match the whole cluster, AC control, stereo kind of vibe that we got going on. He sells them for $50 shipped, and that includes the switch with whatever color LED you want. He got a wide array of colors. So I'm gonna get this thing installed, and later on when it's dark, I'll get y'all some footage and see how it looks. But $50 shipped. OBS_dude on Instagram. I appreciate it. All right, so I guess my son got a little bored, so I gotta put the head cam on. So this one's got 253,000 miles. The Escalade's got 308. Now I wiped the Escalade off. It looks like it's in better shape. This one's, I think when I first got it, I kind of scuffed it and made it kind of some scratches on it. So this Escalade lens is actually in better shape. So we're gonna do that. Now the only thing is, I got LEDs in this bad boy. So I gotta swap them over, and I don't remember which ones are which. And I don't have no ABS, so you know what I'm gonna do. I gotta take that sun gun out right now. Ooh, them suckers hard to turn. Let me go get a little needle nose or something. All right, here. So what's this? This is 100. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna change them one by one. See? LED. I think you gotta get them suckers in there just right. let's give it a shot. So, see right here, I got the mic laying right here. Wire going down through, coming up, coming out the back right here. So let's go ahead and try this. Wire still got plenty of slack. Looks like it works. When it's nailed down, that'll probably work like it's supposed to. Slide this back in there. Y'all see, I done forgot already now how my picture went. Blue on the bottom, black on the top. Blue on the bottom, black on the top. Put this in there and slide it in. That's a new player. All right, get the cover. Everything back together. All right, lights, camera, action. Oh, look at that. That side don't want to work. You got to come back off. See that? Those lighting up, but those ain't. Fuck!
Daddy, on the back of the trailer, is that the new one or no?
No, that's the old one back there.
That's the old one. Is that the new one?
Mm-hmm.
You want one of them? Look good. They have keys.
You spin them around. Well, let's give it a shot. Finally I got this. I've been fucking with this shit for about 30 minutes. Trying to get all these damn LEDs to work like they're supposed to. Of course, LEDs gotta be turned a certain way and all that nonsense, but I think I finally got it. All right, we got it all figured out. Took a while. LEDs really did a number on me, but we got it all figured out. Let's see here. First off, let's cut the lights on. Boy, I got this stadium seat lighting in this mug. Here we go. Got the stereo working. Bluetooth. Try to call Mucho. Let's see if this Bluetooth works. Let's see.
What's up, man?
What going on there?
Man, what's going on?
I'm trying out this Bluetooth stereo that I got out of this Suburban that you wanted. I ended up putting it on in there, trying it out, just seeing how it worked. I got you on speakerphone, might go on YouTube, so don't say nothing crazy. Hey, it worked though. How can you hear me?
I can hear you great.
All right, good. It worked then. It worked. So everything turned out good, man. I have to show it to you next time.
That's right.
Yeah.
So it was sale or you keeping it?
Nah, I'm gonna keep it. Gotta keep that.
Yeah. That makes sense.
Yeah. All right, then. Well, I just was testing it out, making sure it worked.
Yep, y'all just come from here.
All right, then. Looks good. That looks good right there. Damn, that look good. Came out good, man. Them LEDs whooped my ass, but we finally got it figured out. That's a good look right there, man. Yo, OBS_dude, you went in with that, man. That's pretty slick. Right there, man. That's a good look. That's it right there, man. Hey, if y'all want to upgrade the inside of your vehicles, man, LEDs. Put the LEDs in there, you cannot go wrong, man. I'm happy with it. Anyway, that's it for this video, man. Hey, like, subscribe, hit the bell, get all the notifications from Cool Cars KJ. And I appreciate y'all watching and supporting the channel. And we're gonna keep the footage coming, man. We'll holler at y'all. Peace. Another thing I suggest is that 4 high mod. We got the 4 high mod. It's a little $20 kit. Get it off of eBay. And when you cut your high beams on, all 4 lights come on. I don't know if we'll be able to catch it on camera because they're so bright, but we'll see.